Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Zoom account on your Android device. So let's get started. At first I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay, start our video. At first open your Play Store. Okay, after open your Play Store, then type here Zoom. Look at this is Zoom Cloud Meeting apps. Then I install it before, so I don't need to install it now, and make sure you install it. Okay, then open your Zoom apps. Okay, then after open your Zoom apps, you get this kind of interface, and then you tap sign in option. Okay, look at this. Now you tap Google option. Tap on Google. Okay, wait for few moment. Okay, then type here your email address. Okay, after typing your email address, then click on next option. Okay, then type here your password. Then after type your password, then tap next option. Okay, wait for a few moments. Okay, after that you select your date of birth from here. Select your date of birth. Then continue. Then type create account. Okay, look at this. This is your Gmail, this is your Zoom account created, and you can enjoy your Zoom account from here. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe.